Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Fold, and let me show you how to personalize the upper bar on the following device. So at first you have to open it, smoothly slide down to open all the buttons located here, and if you would like to change the order, if you would like to customize it, just tap on the more icon, which is 3 dots 1, and then select the button order. So here, smoothly by tapping for a bit longer particular icon, let me click on mobile data, you can move it to any other place. Just pick the one that you would like to have. So for example, if you would like to have QR code scanner over here at the bottom of the list, smoothly slide it here. Here you've got the rest of the icons, the rest of the shortcuts, so you can smoothly perform the same operation. Smoothly click here, then this one can be dragged here, or this one will be moved here. And this is it. Then if you would like to reset it to the default setup, just click on reset. Confirm that you would like to reset button orders, and now you've got the default setup. So this is it, that would be all. Click on done to finish the whole operation, and that would be all. This is how you can customize upper bar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.